Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. And today we are this is the next episode of the LS Swap. I turned the camera, ignore the garage. Y'all see we got a bunch of packages. Today we're going to be doing a couple things. Right now, y'all kind of caught me in the midst of trying to fabricate the gas pedal. This is the pedal that came with the engine assembly, and it does not fit. So I've been making cuts, trying to shape this to see if I could get it to fit in fabricated way. And then they have the plug-in for it, since this setup is drive-by wire. That's one of the things that I plan on tackling today. As you can see, I already started, but that's just one of many. Also too, the fuel system was another thing that I had to figure out. I can run the stock pump from the truck, so that's also what's going to get done today. That's really about it. If we do something else, I'll keep y'all posted as we go along. But without further ado, let's get it rolling. As y'all can see, my workspace is pretty dirty, but I just wanted to update y'all. This is the gas pedal, and I planned on welding it so it sits over to the side like that. I have a marker point on it, but it's going to sit to the side like that, and like that it'll clear. So that's one problem fixed. The other thing that we were tackling today, fuel pump. So I took the stock sending unit from the Corvette, and I took the new internals from the Chevy Suburban fuel pump, and I transferred all the stuff from here to here. I do have to redo the wiring because the wiring is going to have to extend up to the sending unit top. There's a hole I have to cut out for it right there, but I have to make that bigger and then run the wires to it, and fuel pump and gas pedal will be done. The only other things left before we, you know what I'm saying, slap the engine in. Let me fix my hair for y'all. The only other thing left after that, engine itself. I'm going to redo all of the gaskets, going to redo the timing chain, and there is a plug in the back that I was told to replace. I think it's on the back side of the engine. I'm going to do that as well. And the oil pump. I forgot the oil pump. After all of those, the O-ring and the oil pump and all of that, we're going to be slapping the engine inside of the vet. Right now we're just working around getting everything supporting mods wise ready for it to go. We still have more boxes too. As you can see, we only made it through 2 of them. We still have a couple more boxes to go as far as stuff is concerned, but I think I'm closing in on being done for today. That's all I got for y'all. I know I didn't record much of the process, which I should have, but this will probably be a 2-parter. Put the gas pedal, weld that together, and then I also have to finish the wiring for the pump, so that'll be in the next section of this video. But as of right now, that's all I got for y'all. I will see you in the next part of the video. Y'all can see that car look familiar. That guy right there look familiar too, don't he? You know what I'm saying?
What's up, gang?
You know what I'm saying? But we came to fabricate what I attempted to throw together. I don't know how this is about to turn out because I ain't nowhere close to a professional, but I'm still finna lay dimes on y'all. This is part 2. I also got to go back home and finish the fuel pump itself, that sending unit and whatnot. I just left Harbor Freight with the tools, so I'm gonna tack this bad boy together, and once this is tacked together, I'll try to get it welded, shut up, and then we'll go and focus on the rest. So let's do it. This is nowhere close to professional quality with a lot of boogers in it. You know what I'm saying? You want to show?
Hey, I bet you that shit work.
It did what I'm saying. It boogers all around that hole. I'll take an angle grinder to it though and smooth that out so it'll look a little bit more pretty. Lastly, we just got to finish that sending unit, and then we'll go about tearing the engine apart, redoing the internals. I've been trying to find a good cam too, so if y'all have suggestions on what I should put in that bad boy, let me know. I don't want no Chinese fake bull. I want the real deal thing, and I want it to be Chupacabra. Hey, that mother like $500 though. Shit. Shit. I mean, we can do some chopping now. They got the eBay turbo kit with the exhaust manifolds and everything. Got everything you need for $375 minus the turbo. So I buy eBay turbo on top of that. Hey, what? Hey, what?
Anybody can get it. Anybody. Church, school, man, we fresh goddamn school bus. You want to shit. Anybody can get 12. Anybody.
I just wanted, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to put you in the frame with it. You know what I'm saying?
Just be ready. Just be ready when you're in traffic now. Hey.
And if you beat him, I'm coming for you. And if you beat me,
you beat me. See that little motherfucker right there? You beat that little motherfucker right there. Hey, I'm going to get something bigger and better. And I'm coming back for your ass.
I ain't worried about it. You beat me, that's the last time you gonna drive that car. I'm just playing. But yeah, let's go back and finish that whole up. Yeah, yo.